Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: device updated, bot installed, and account backed up. Once done, open the bot and sign in with the same Co-C credentials. This maintains Army and base state. Make sure to grant accessibility and overlay permissions so the bot can interact with the game. Then, choose a basic profile or template to load. This gives you an immediate, safe configuration to run. You do this because it reduces risk and lets you observe behavior before any custom changes. Next, you configure strategy parameters. Pick farming versus war modes and set troop priorities and donation rules. Once set, adjust search thresholds, minimum gold and elixir, acceptable town hall levels, and delay between attacks to balance time and profit. Make sure to test on a small batch of raids and watch replays. This shows you how the bot places troops and handles defenses. After viewing, refine placement offsets and spell timings, because small tweaks create big improvements in consistency and success rate. Finally, begin running controlled sessions while you monitor logs and replays in real time. You should enable auto-restart and anti-ban measures and limit each session to realistic durations to avoid detection or overheating. If you see frequent failures or misplacements, pause immediately and revert to the backup village, then reduce aggressiveness, simplify templates, and retest on a few raids. One key troubleshooting tip: clear cache, lower frame rate, and re-grant permissions if the bot loses input control. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.